Welcome back to another grocery haul. This is Save-A-Lot mainly, and then there is a few items I want to share with you that we picked up at Walmart. So first up, I'm going to start with like some snacks and like breakfast items. So to get some cinnamon rolls, 2 cans of the jumbo layered butter biscuits, 2 of those, a snack pack vanilla pudding, got some honey puffs, some buttery round crackers, some of these cheese dippers for snacks, a couple packs of Kool-Aid, a turkey Lunchable, some Chips Ahoy cookies. I did get some Texas toast for a meal we're having. Picked up some of these cheddar cheese smoked sausages. A good deal on their bacon at Save-A-Lot, and I got the hickory smoked classic cut. Blue Bonnet sticks of butter. 12 eggs. Save-A-Lot had a great deal on their apples today. Instead of $3.50 a bag, they were marked down to $1.99. So I picked up Connor some apples, grapes. I have a tomato here, some cabbage, canola oil, a butter cooking spray, a morning buttery rich syrup. Another snacky item I picked up, I've been craving Cheez-Its, so I got these cheese bites, Save-A-Lot brand. I needed some of the buttermilk pancake mix and waffle mix. I only use this for pancakes. And they also had a good deal. This was only $1.79, and this is the blueberry pancake and waffle. And yeah, really good pancake mixes. And then another fun snacky item is we thought we would try this funnel cake mix. Just some cans because I still have plenty of can items stocked back from the last grocery shop. So I did pick up 2 of the Libby's Country Sausage Gravy. This gravy is really good. I cannot make gravy from scratch. I'm just not good at it. So I buy the canned gravy or the packet gravy and I make it myself. The cut green beans. I needed some more sliced carrots. I got a roast beef and gravy in a can, chicken and dumplings in a can. These make for really good quick lunch items when you're in a pinch, or even quick dinner items, because you could cook your roast beef in gravy on the stove and make mashed potatoes and eat that over top of bread, and that's an open face roast beef sandwich. Delicious. 2 cans of the chicken broth. I need that for my chicken and gravy recipe I shared with you guys. That's a huge hit here. If you've not tried it, it's amazing. Check the description box out. I got a flavored meat pasta sauce for pizza casserole. Nini noodles for pizza casserole. Once again, if you've not tried pizza casserole, I do have a recipe on it. It's really good, very kid friendly. I did get a 4-cheese lasagna box dinner, and I got a double cheeseburger mac, and I also have creamy broccoli tuna mac in the cabinet and cheesy tuna pasta, and these are meals that I put back as, you know, you're in a pinch, you've been gone all day, and that kind of thing. Just quick dinner ideas. And then I did get the garlic bread to go with this one when I do decide to fix that. A quick kind of lunchy kind of item are these buffalo style chicken strips, and these are really good. And then 2 other quick dinner meals. I got the southern style gravy with breaded beef patties. This is actually a really good quick dinner meal, served with veggies and mashed potatoes or something like that in a row, and you have a really nice quick easy dinner, and very cheap and affordable. And because I know these little box dinners aren't for everybody, but they are pretty tasty if you're on a budget and you are in a hurry and need to fix a meal quickly. And I got the rib shaped patties. So those are my quick meals. Moving on to meats. I've said this in the past and told you guys about the pick 5 at the Save-A-Lot where I frequent, and I love this because you get 5 packs of meat for $19.99. I got 2 pick 5s today with a couple additional packs of meat. I did pick up another one of their pick 5 pepperonis. I am making pizza casserole this time, so I needed these for pizza casserole, and we like to snack on these sometimes. I did get quite a bit of ground beef today, but I have recipes that I'm going to use them for. So I did get 2 packages of the pre-patties here. I got a chuck roast so I can make another Mississippi roast. And the prices on these are really good. This is a little over 2 pounds. I needed at least 2 packages of ground beef. I'm going to do meatloaf, and I'm going to do the 4 cheese lasagna. I also needed, oh no, I'll pick up hamburger later for the 4 cheese lasagna now thinking about it. So this will be for meatloaf and one will be for pizza casserole. I did pick up 2 packs of the pork steaks. These are just so delicious, and I will have a video coming soon on how I prepare these. You guys have been asked a couple times, so I'm going to do that. I did get some thin cut pork chops for marinated pork chops one night, and I did get a pack of the country style ribs. Those are really thick ribs. And then I did get us a turkey breast, boneless turkey breast, for Thanksgiving. We have been cooking Thanksgiving dinner at home, as well as we go to our families too, but at home since Connor was born. So we have our own traditions, so we're doing that again. Yeah, so this is it for the Save A Lot portion of the haul. And if you count this up, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 meals in fresh meat. And I think there was at least, if you count, like I said, the roast beef and the chicken and dumplings, the 2 frozen dinners I picked up, and the breakfast that we typically like to have, like a big country breakfast for dinner sometimes, which will include gravy biscuits, whatever meat, egg, you get what I'm saying. And then all I have to do is add meat with the double cheeseburger mac and the 4 cheese lasagna. So this is a little over 2 weeks worth of meals for us. And then at Walmart, I did get 2 boxes of the Jiffy corn muffin mix to make sweet cornbread, Kraft singles, some Kobe Jack shredded cheese, a box of this orange chicken. For sides for some of the meals that I have, I got a couple boxes of the macaroni and cheese original, the chicken flavored pasta side, a 1 package of the instant potatoes, the buttery ones from Great Value, because I do have real potatoes and I prefer to make real potatoes. And then I did get, not shown here, a bunny loaf of bread and a milk. And then I got a 3-pound bag of the boneless skinless chicken breast. And then I got some of these all just gravy mixes. Those are 68 cents each. What a good deal for the Mississippi roast. I did get 2 of the chicken gravy, and also for the Mississippi roast I picked up a ranch, classic ranch packet, and I already have one of those in the cabinet, so I have 2 sets of those now. Seriously, almost forgot this stuff. 2 bags, but one's from Save A Lot and one was from Walmart. So I did pick up a pack, or 12 pack of the Hamburger Buns. Now what I do is I'll use like what I need out of here, and then I'll freeze the rest, and then as I need them I'll pull, you know, a couple out here. I got some 12 of the brown and served roast. These were, sorry about the lighting, but it is dark and I'm having to use the kitchen lights. $1.29 at Save A Lot. So now this is from Walmart. I did pick up the Southern style hash browns for breakfast, and then a pack of the Nathan's Jumbo crinkle cut french fries for burgers one night, and then this Armor beef stew. Now I wanted to share this with you guys too, because this can be a lunch item or a quick dinner item. I know it's a can item, but you can pair this beef stew with grilled cheese, and on really cold evenings, fall, winter, this is so delicious. It's so yummy. Also do it with chili, but I have chili in the cabinet already for another family to feed. It's not the healthiest for you, but if you're in a pinch and you're on a budget, you can make do. Like, this make a great lunch item, fall, winter, any time of year really. And then the beef stew will make a dinner, okay? Beef stew and grilled cheese. And it's very filling. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Stay tuned for more hauls, more recipes, more what's for dinner. Check the description box for that in the kitchen playlist. And thank you guys always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.